backstage at GreenjellovisionMusicTV, where we are about to present to you show number 50! It's been a spectacular, craptacular year, ladies and gentlemen. We started off the show on January 29th, and we have been coming to you live every week for 50 weeks! All for free! All right, we're gonna kick off the pre-show, and I would like to introduce to you the Orson Welles of GreenjellovisionMusicTV. Will you please give it up for the Nihilist? Happy Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. It is I, the Nihilist, to bring you GreenjellovisionMusicTV one more time. Make some noise, won't you? This is gonna be an awesome show. We're backstage. We're starting a fight club, as I say every week, because we got it looks like we're in some kind of scary alleyway, which I am no stranger to, let me tell you that. Let's see who we got hanging around here. We got Tej always in his chair. He's newly sworn. Oh. So smooth. So smooth. In fact, this little bald head couldn't be smoother if we covered it in wolf spit. Our official new sponsor. Oh, little puppy. Little bitty puppy, little puppy. Oh, wolf spit. It's lube. It helps you put your penis in places. They make condoms also, but I mean, you fucking nerd. Who still uses those? Unless you want to have a water balloon fight. I'm nearly 50. My condom days are fucking gone. I mean, I could use a trash bag, maybe a popsicle stick to fucking keep the wood going on, but I mean, if I even think about a sandwich mid-coitus, it's fucking over for me. So, wolf spit. It helps you put your little limp noodle everywhere. The only thing we need now that we have wolf spit as a sponsor is for Fleshlight to sponsor us. So I don't have to be so painful alone anymore. No, this is a true story, everyone. I used to work at a sex shop. Could you imagine that? Yep, it happened. And we got fleshlights in once, me even. And we were all sitting around in the office when we first got our fleshlights, and we were just talking and like throwing it around like a football. Because when you first get a fleshlight, let's be honest, your immediate impulse is to play catch with it. And then we just stopped talking, and I had it in my hand, and I noticed that I was just subconsciously fingering it. Just playing with my little fleshlight, just fingering the hole. And that's when I realized I'd be a terrible lady. Like, I'd be bored in class just... Because I already hold my balls like they're going to fall off.
Don't tell them our secrets.
These aren't secrets. I want the world to know. Do you hold your balls like they're going to fall off, Jelliot?
No.
That's because he's a young man. Mine are so low, they're like between my knees. I could do perpetual motion, like if I was in a therapist's office. Need a ball, the other knee goes out. Need a ball, the other knee goes out. It's kind of a little dance. You'll get there someday. I mean, hopefully. Otherwise, you're gonna die. Most likely in a motorcycle accident. Which brings us to our reverse last sponsor. I don't know. Hey, like I said, two types of cyclists. Those who've dipped and those who are about to. Who's our fourth sponsor? We're gonna go in reverse order, see if you remember it.
Okay, our fourth sponsor is All Phase Construction, located in Phoenix, Arizona.
All Phase Construction, Phoenix, Arizona, right next to the Harley-Davidson School of Motorcycle Repair. They'll take you on for like no money. You could learn to build your bike because all bikes need constant maintenance. Are you up on your maintenance? You got all that going?
Yeah.
You
Everyone,
studious about that?
if you didn't know, I just bought a Harley. Yeah, I just paid it off too.
That's fantastic. The details in your stories is what really makes you a great color man.
Thank you.
All right, going backwards from there, our third sponsor, and they're really close, is...
Our next door neighbors, the Greenhouse Herbal Center, located at 5224 Hollywood Boulevard.
5224 Hollywood Boulevard. We love Mino, and really condolences and hearts go out to Mino because he had a family tragedy recently. I'm not going to get into it because he's not here, but Mino, if you're watching, we love you, man.
We love you, Mino.
And we miss you, kind of. Like, we're kind of glad you're not here every day. But we love Mino. All right. And Greenhouse, we love you as well. They have these tasty, tasty rolling papers that are as refreshing as they are strong. They will get you high. And from what I've heard, according to our guitar player Vince, they have Greek yogurt. That could be wrong. That might be mishearing. But he's regular. He is regular. All right, and our second sponsor, going in reverse order, is
6320 Hollywood Boulevard. It's the Iguana Vintage Clothing. Ask for Tracy Dynamite. Tell her GreenjellovisionMusicTV sent you.
Iguana Clothing! I was trying to fool him up, and I almost did. Iguana Clothing's right down the street on Hollywood Boulevard. They've got all your vintage clothing, all your overalls, all your leather jackets, all your smooth, smooth denim. Who else here's a denim fan? Who here would sleep on a denim pillow if you were able? Just wake up with that denim printed all over your face. Sometimes all I really want in this world is to be a pillow made out of denim so that I could just leave my markings all over your face. And I'm speaking directly to Colonel Slanders when I say that. I want to be on his face. He makes a delicious Christmas dinner. If you watched our Christmas show, we were all picking out on Colonel Slanders' finger-licking good tastings.
Turkey.
It's still finger-licking, Richard.
It was turkey.
What?
It was turkey.
Yeah, but it was on my fingers.
It was in your ass.
It was in my ass. That was the cranberry sauce.
Oh, the hemorrhoids.
Well, either way, it was red and it was lumpy. Most of my hemorrhoids, though, have a little elasticity to them. Like the stopper on a door. You could grab that hemorrhoid and ding, 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 ding. But that's delicious. Our last sponsor, Jillian.
It's right here at Sacred Farts, 5228 Hollywood Boulevard, Chaos Cookies. And Chaos says, buy my cookies or die. Or if you're a man, you could suffer the alternative of Chaos's signature move, kick him in the nuts.
Kick him in the ball bag. If you don't try our delicious vegan cookies, oh my God, are they scrumptious and bumptious. What I like to do is crunch them all up while I'm watching a movie in bed and then roll around pretending the crumbs are sand and I'm at the beach. Delicious vegan cookies made right here by our very own ball-kicking Chaos and the lovely Queen Bee. 5228 Hollywood Boulevard, that's where to get them. And that's where we are right now. If you're in the Los Angeles area and you're looking for a good time, and I'm talking about punk rock, I'm talking about comedy, I'm talking about sitting right on my lap until something uncomfortable happens. 5228 Hollywood Boulevard is where to make that happen. Don't fucking tell me how to do my... Okay. I mean, I was gonna forget, but we have a merch booth as well.
We do.
Right here at 5228, right in the front of the store. I was not gonna forget it because it's beautiful looking. thanks to our graffiti artist, Odd Art. He's running camera 1. We're going to see him during the show.
There
he
he
painted
is.
that up. He runs the t-shirts, and he's going to have his very own show once we go big this year.
Nice.
We're going to have a show all about graffiti art. You're going to love that shit.
We're also
But
down
while you're
at
loving that
Punk
shit,
Rock
you
Pub.
should listen to some of our music. Our music can be found where?
Spotify, YouTube, Pandora, Apple Music, Bandcamp, every music streaming service you could possibly think of.
Any fucking place you hear music. The elevator, your dad's car, Pandora, YouTube.
There it is.
Oh, you listen to some Green Jello. You've heard it before, you'll hear it again. We have a somewhat newish album out. And this leather jacket being put on behind me by the brand new Sparkly Clean Balls
There he is. There's the punk rock pope.
of our host and love toucher.
Love toucher.
We're getting close. I'm getting moist. At least I've got that wolf spit.
Give it up for Bill!
All right, here we go. I need everyone here to make some noise. Here we go. Coming to you live from
waiting for? Will you please give your middle finger salute to the punk rock pope himself, Bill